Hello everyone. Welcome in E-class of Social Science. Children, today we will start new chapter in geography, chapter number 10, life in the tropical and subtropical regions. And here in this video we will discuss only about the first part of this chapter. So what we are going to study now? Now, in this video, we will know about our planet Earth, about the tropical zone of our Earth, and about the subtropical zone. We will know what is Amazon basin, what is the location and extent of Amazon basin, what is the location and extent of Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Here in this chapter we will discuss about two important areas of tropical and subtropical zone. So here we will know what is Amazon basin, what is the location and extent of Amazon basin, which type of climatic condition is found there, and which type of flora and fauna are found there. We will also discuss about the people and their economic activities in Amazon basin. Rest part 2 about the subtropical zone, about the Ganga and Brahmaputra region we will discuss in our next video. So students, at the very first we will know what is the difference between tropical and subtropical regions. The portion of the world found between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn is known as the tropics, means that portion is known as the tropical zone, and subtropics are the geographical and climatical zone of the earth immediately north and south of the tropics, means that point, that line which merge tropic and temperate zone, that is known as the subtropical zone. Beta, tropical systems are warm core weather system that only form over water, एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल सिस्टम में क्या होता है, यहाँ का क्लाइमेटिकल कंडीशन जो है वो ट्रॉपिकल सिस्टम से बिल्कुल चेंज होता है. इन सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड समर्स. There are different types of mammals, reptiles, and different types of species are found. While in subtropical zone, there are variety of mammals and reptiles, but they are not as much as they are found in tropical zone. In short, we can say कि tropical zone में different type के species पाए जाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं, जबकि जो आपका सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन होता है वहां भी पाए जाते हैं लेकिन वो उतने ज्यादा नहीं होते जितने कि ट्रॉपिकल जोन में. सी दिस पिक्चर स्टूडेंट्स, दैट विल क्लियर यू which point is known as tropical zone and which point is known as subtropical zone. As you can see, the orange portion, that is the tropical zone. It is from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. 0 degree latitude के 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. This portion is known as tropical zone. And what is subtropical zone? Beta, as you are seeing the green portion, green zone जो है that is the temperate zone. बट इस ट्रॉपिकल यानी ऑरेंज जोन को और टेम्परेट यानी ग्रीन जोन को जो मिक्स करता है, दैट लाइन इज नोन एज द सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन. सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट टू important areas, one from tropical zone and one from subtropical zone in this chapter. First is Amazon basin, which lie totally in tropical zone in South America, and second one is Ganga and Brahmaputra region, okay, our Indian region. These both areas about which we will discuss in this chapter, okay. So students, as in last slide I was telling you that about two important areas we will discuss. Those are Amazon basin, which is related with tropical zone, and second one is Ganga and Brahmaputra basin, which is related with subtropical zone. Okay. So now here, that is Amazon basin. Beta, Amazon basin is the part of South America drained by Amazon river, which is known as the largest river of the world, and its tributaries. A major part of Amazon basin lies in Brazil between the Guiana highland in the north and the Brazilian highland in the south. And the first European to discover the Amazon river was a Spanish explorer. Children, Amazon is the most important river in South America and it is the second longest river. तो फर्स्ट लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है? दैट इज द नाइल रिवर. And Amazon is the largest river of the world and second longest river of the world. Beta, the Amazon River originate in the Andes Mountain and drain into the Atlantic Ocean. It is located in the countries of which countries are located here? Those are Bolivia, Brazil, that is Colombia and Ecuador, France, Guyana, that is France, Peru. These are important locations here, and a vast Amazon basin, the largest lowland in Latin America, has an area of 2.7 million square miles. Children, it is really a big portion. ये एक बहुत ही बड़ा एरिया है, बहुत ही big portion है. As you can see the exact location of Amazon basin on our world map. हमारे world map पे Amazon basin का जो location है that is showing from the red color. ठीक है? See this clearly कि हमारे अर्थ पे Amazon basin कहाँ locate करता है. You should know it. ठीक है? एंड इसे मैं क्लोज करके इस तरह से दिखा सकती हूँ. यू कैन सी द इम्पोर्टेंट एरियाज, दोज आर वेनेजुएला, कोलंबिया. It is showing here Brazil, Bolivia. These are important areas which are the main locations of Amazon basin. Climatic conditions in Amazon basin. Beta, the Amazon basin have an equatorial type of climate, and this type of climate is characterized by hot and wet conditions throughout the year. पूरे साल यहाँ एक जैसा मौसम रहता है. Why? Because it is near to the 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude, which one? That is equator. और इक्वेटर पे जो भी एरियाज होते हैं वहां पर किस टाइप का क्लाइमेट पाया जाता है? इक्वेटरल टाइप. मीन्स दैट इज hot and wet. The temperature is uniformly high and the daytime temperature become oppressive and unbearable due to bright sunlight and high relative humidity. Children, within the Amazon basin, the average temperature is 27.9 degrees centigrade during the dry season and 25.8 degrees centigrade during the rainy season. The forest of Amazon recycle 50 to 75% of annual rainfall back into the atmosphere. Children, the rainfall is heavy, about 250 centimeter per year, and it is well distributed throughout the year. Beta, there is no dry season and there is no more rainfall in the afternoon than in any other part of the day. The summer and winter season are not well marked due to the high temperature and well distributed rainfall throughout the year. So that is why just because of high rainfall यहाँ समर और विंटर सीजन को प्रॉपरली मार्क भी नहीं किया जा सकता. मतलब पूरे साल एक जैसा सीजन होता है अमेज़न बेसिन में. मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पर बारिश होती है एंड मेनली बारिश किस टाइम होती है? दोपहर के बाद. That is why. Children, you know there are few important facts about Amazon basin. You will be surprised after knowing it. That Amazon basin जो है that covers near about 40% area of South America. And you know how much time a sunlight take to reach at the ground. जो sunlight होता है ना, जो वी कांट से अबाउट टाइम, दैट इज जो सनलाइट होता है वो अमेज़न बेसिन के ओनली 1% ग्राउंड पर ही पहुंच पाता है. इतना ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट होता है कि पूरी तरह से ग्राउंड पर सनलाइट भी नहीं पहुंच पाता. ओनली 1% सनलाइट पहुंच पाता है ग्राउंड पे, बिकॉज यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट है. एंड 10 मिनट्स लगते हैं. 10 minutes time take for rain to reach the forest floor. जब बारिश यहाँ होती है, बारिश तो यहाँ रोज होती है, लेकिन जब बारिश होती है तो उसके ड्रॉप्स को पूरी तरह से प्रॉपरली जमीन पर पहुंचने में 10 मिनट्स लगते हैं। इतना ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट है ये, ज्यादातर पेड़ पौधों पे ही बारिश होती चली जाती है और जमीन तक पहुंचने में 10 मिनट्स लगते हैं। यू नो 10% दैट इज होम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स नोन स्पीसीज। हमारे अर्थ पे पाए जाने वाले जितने भी स्पीसीज हैं, 10% स्पीसीज के ये जो ये अमेजन बेसिन है दैट इज द होमलैंड। एंड देयर आर 0.4 thousand प्लस इंडिजिनस ट्राइब्स हैं, मतलब अमेजन बेसिन में सबसे ज्यादा ट्राइबल पीपल पाए जाते हैं। And 12,000 plus animal species are there, 13,000 plus bird species are there, 40,000 plus plant species are there, and 2.5 million insect species are there. So that is why Amazon basin is known as that it is the land of we can say कि यहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा वैरायटी पाई जाती है हर तरह की चीज़ों की, स्पीसीज की, ग्रीनरी की, फ्लोरा एंड फोना की। Students, we will know which type of flora and fauna are found in Amazon basin. The hot and humid climate in the Amazon basin helps in the rich growth of natural vegetation. बेटा यहाँ हर तरह से बहुत अलग अलग तरह की वैरायटी पाई जाती है फ्लोरा एंड फोना में। फ्लोरा मीन्स वेजिटेशन एंड फोना दैट मीन्स स्पीसीज। बेटा Amazon basin is a rainforest which support a very broad array of fauna including mammals, reptiles and different type of species. Beta, the forests found here are the largest and thickest in the world, and these are called the evergreen equatorial type of forest, and these forests are also known as selva in the South America. Different type of species are found here. यहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा अलग अलग प्रजातियां पाई जाती हैं, मैमल्स की या इंसेक्ट्स की या फिर डिफरेंट टाइप के बर्ड्स की अलग अलग प्रजातियां पाई जाती हैं। यहाँ जो वेजिटेशन है ये भी बहुत ही अलग तरह का पाया जाता है। एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर रबर, कोकोनट, गम एंड क्विनिन। डिफरेंट टाइप की चीजें यहाँ पर पाई जाती हैं। बेटा ट्रीज इन अमेजन बेसिन ग्रो वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर। बहुत ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट है यहाँ, इतना ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट है कि जो सन रेसेस है वो भी अर्थ पे प्रॉपरली नहीं पहुंच पाता। Amazon rainforest is also referred to as the lungs of the planet. लंग्स जिस तरह से बॉडी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है, उसी तरह से अमेजन बेसिन हमारे प्लानेट के लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूस मोर देन 20% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स ऑक्सीजन, and there are approximately 10 million species of animals, plants and insects known to man, and more than half of them call the rainforest home. People and their economic activities. Children, the forested areas are inhabited by different tribes and they have a primitive way of life. They obtain food by hunting, gathering, and fishing. And some forested areas have been cleared by the slash and burn. Slash and burn method, I have told you earlier about the shifting cultivation also. ठीक है, स्लैश एंड बर्न्स मीन्स उस पूरे एरिया को ये लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले पेड़ों को काटते हैं और उसके बाद उसको पूरा बर्न करके उसको फ्लैट लैंड बना देते हैं। देन दे यूज दैट लैंड फॉर कल्टीवेशन। So, agriculture represents an important part of economy of the region, and products including bananas, soybeans, coca, coffee, maize and protected in land that has been cleared, and most of it is produced for exportation. Beta, there are different type of tribes living here. Indigenous tribe 400 plus, 400 प्लस ट्राइब्स है यहाँ, बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के ट्राइबल पीपल यहाँ पर रहते हैं अमेजन बेसिन में। एंड ऑल्दो देयर आर स्टिल मेनी थिंग्स वी डोंट नो about their way of life, we can piece together an image of their day-to-day lifestyle. Tourism is also an important thing for economy here. Rubber trees are scattered in the forest and different type of settlements are small and scattered settlements are found here. Wood from the forest is widely used to make houses, and different type of houses, few houses are called maloka here. Life of the people is slowing changes here due to the contact with Europeans, and a few small towns have developed long and just like along with river banks. Children, the tribal people are now they are contacting with others, तो इन लोगों से ये लोग सीख भी रहे हैं. तो now they are not only just a tribal people, they are also learning new lifestyle. Manus, which was developed as a rubber collecting center along the Amazon rivers and built with its red roofed houses. Well, what is Belm? That is a red roofed house is now a surrounded by groves of bananas and palm tree. Beta, in the past, the Amazon River was the only waterway to link the forested areas with other places. In the last 50 years, a number of roads have been developed here to contact the scattered settlement. There are different type of roads, and Trans Amazon Highway is also there now. It is the most important road link. And ये कैसा रोड लिंक है, ये हमें अमेजन बेसिन में रहने वाले लोगों से मिलाता है. That is why this is important. It has made all parts of the forested region accessible now. Well, students, this part is done now. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you.